Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we're taking a look at number 3 Eddington Lane in Herne Bay. Now, this property offers a very unique opportunity. You're in a really popular residential location with this property, and you can see from the front, just a few moments ago, you've got a lot of space, and there is a bit of potential here to perhaps extend it over to the left. So coming into the property, you can see that the property has been modernised in areas. You can see you've got a nice modern bathroom there, and coming through into the kitchen, you can see you've got a nice modern kitchen here. There's really nothing to do here whatsoever, and you've got the boiler in there as well. And coming through into this utility space here, this sort of sunroom slash utility space, you can see just over the garden there just how big that space really is. And you can also see here you've got a fantastic sized garage as well, which you can which is accessible from the front. So perhaps there's an opportunity here to convert that space, or perhaps even extend over that garage. Again, it's up to you. The property is a really good size as it is, but if you're looking to extend it and make it into a much larger family home, the opportunity is certainly there, I think. Now, we come upstairs here, and you're going to see we've got 2 really good sized double bedrooms. And the really interesting thing with these bedrooms is you do have the toilets as well. So the ensuite toilets, and just having a little look out the window there onto Eddington Lane, really nice, popular residential location. So 2 really good sized bedrooms up here, and you'll see that the rear bedroom does overlook the rear garden. So just having a little look here at the toilet that you've got with the front bedroom, and that cupboard there is actually a very good sized storage space. You can see you've already got some fitted storage in these bedrooms, but again, you can organise these rooms however you'd like, but they're both certainly double sized rooms. And that door there in the corner, again, that is just for the ensuite toilet. So we're coming back downstairs now, and we're going to go through the lounge area, take a look at the 3rd bedroom, which is located just off of the lounge. I'm going to go and take a look at the rear garden. So this lounge area here, you can see it's a wonderful size. You've got the windows at the back and at the side, and you've got that log burning stove there as well, which is a really nice focal point to the room. You can see that there's a little bit of updating required, just decoratively, but you know, it offers you an amazing opportunity to put your stamp on this property and create a really wonderful family home. So we're just coming through into the dining space, which is just run through from the lounge, and you've got this wonderful conservatory space here at the back as well. Real bonus to have this conservatory space, because the garden is a fantastic size, and you can see it is lovely and sunny. You're going to be getting the sun in this rear garden pretty much most of the day. Now, the garden itself is a real blank canvas. There's so much opportunity in this rear garden for you to create anything that you'd like. And just recapping a few bits on this property as we're coming to the end of the walkthrough tour now. Again, we're at number 3 Eddington Lane with this property, so a really popular residential location. If you're looking for an easy commute down Thanet Way up to London, this property is perfect for you, and you're close to the high street, the shops and the local schools. So please do give us a call.